morning, children. In this session, we are going to study about how to find the perimeter of the given figure. First, I give the definition for the perimeter. The perimeter is nothing but boundary, the length around a figure or a shape is called perimeter. That means the length for the given figure. That is called perimeter or boundary. Is it clear? The first problem, find the perimeter of the following figure. So, given figure is square. Can you understand? The given figure, four sides are equal. So, that is a square. The one side length, they given 5 centimeter. So, from this, what we know? What we know that? So, square means 4 sides are equal. So, the remaining, all the sides I have to fill by unit 5 centimeter. So, perimeter or boundary is nothing but the length around the figure. So, here we have four sides, So, perimeter means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or else, perimeter of the square is equal to sum of all sides. The sum of all sides is the common formula for all the closed figure for perimeter. So, first I fix the method 1 using the formula sum of all sides. So, sum of all sides, that is equal to one side here given 5 centimeter. So, given figure is square. So, rest of the sides also 5 centimeter. So, how many sides here? 4 sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So, I have to write here 4 times 5. So, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 5, 5 plus 5, how much? 10. One more 5 we need to add. So, 0 plus 5, 5. And when the remaining one more 5 is there. So, 5 plus 5, 10. That the 0 right under the 1's place. Carry the remaining 1 into the 10's place. The 1 plus 1, 2. So, how much dear? 20 centimeter. So, given square, get the perimeter of the square is equal to 20 centimeter. This is the first method, children. This is the common method for all the closed figure. Then, the second method, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. That is the particular formula for the square. So, 4 sides So, 4 times the side. That is the particular formula for the square. So, you write 4 multiple and what unit they given or what length they given here? 5 centimeter. So, here they given 5 centimeter. So, I put there 5 centimeter. Suppose they give any other units. That means length 8 meter or 11 centimeter. Anything there means that alone you have to need to substitute here. So, 4 times 5, how much, children? 1, 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. So, what do you have to get now? 20. And you don't forget to write the unit, children. 20 centimeters. They given in the unit centimeter means you should write centimeter. Suppose they given the unit meter means you should write meter. That is very important. Without anything you will means there is no meaning. You should write the unit also. So our perimeter of the square is equal to 20 centimeter. That is our answer, children. So our perimeter of the square is equal to 20 centimeter. So today we study two formula for find the perimeter of the square. One is common formula for all the closed figure. Another one is particular formula perimeter of the square. The common formula is nothing but sum of all sides. The perimeter of the square is equal to sum of all sides. And the particular formula is nothing but perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. Dear children, in this session, you are all study about how to find the boundary or perimeter of the given square. I hope you are all learned well. Thank you, children.